Give ear to my words, O Yahuwah. Consider my meditation. Attend to the voice of my cry, my sovereign and my Elohim. For unto you I pray, O Yahuwah. In the morning you hear my voice. I present myself to you in the morning, and I look up. For you are not an owl taking delight in wickedness, nor does evil dwell with you. The boasters do not stand before your eyes. You hate all workers of wickedness. You destroy those speaking falsehood. Yahuwah loathes a man of blood and deceit. But I enter your house in the greatness of your kindness. I bow myself toward your Hadashakul and your reverence. O Yahuwah, lead me in your righteousness because of those watching me. Make your way straight before my face. For there is no stability in their mouths. Their inward part is destruction. Their throat is an open grave. They flatter with their tongue. Declare them guilty, O Elohim. Let them fall by their own counsels. Thrust them away for their many transgressions, because they have rebelled against you. But let all who take refuge in you rejoice. Let them ever shout for joy, because you shelter them. And let those who love your name exult in you. For you, Barak the righteous, O Yahuwah. You surround him with favors, with a shield.